show you one of their delicacies, which is crabs in watercress cooked in coconut milk. Here are all the ingredients that you're going to be using for today, just in case you guys want to follow. So we have long green peppers, onions, salt. And this is a male blue crab that he's holding. These are the female crabs. As you can see, the stomach is more rounded off with different colors. The other one had roe coming out because it was pregnant.
Ako po si Lisa Agabaw at magdedemo po ng bansaway na ginata. Ang unahin po natin ay gata, pagkatapos po yung ilalim niya.
Okay, so today we're gonna go ahead and start the preparation.
Kapakuluan natin. Pag kumulo na
Of course, these crabs will be steamed first, so that way all the flavors will be enhanced. So she is starting off with the coconut milk being put inside the pot. Putting it on medium heat just to have it come to a boil. Okay, so we start off with the first ingredients. Onions, garlic, vegetable, salt, and the peppers. Okay, so she's adding in the last of the ingredients, and now we will make sure that this goes and comes to a boil. And this is actually the front of the lodging house. This is from the Agabaw lodging house. Anytime that you guys are near Casiguran, please check them out. They will cook you meals. As you saw the body of water, this is where they actually caught these crabs.
Itong alimasag, i-steam muna natin bago natin gatahan. Kaya ito na po yung finished product nila na steam.
This is the crab after it's been steamed. As you see, she's putting them in now, cracking it in the middle to make sure that the flavoring comes out. Look how perfectly they are cooked. And now these will be put inside this stew and cooked until ready. It does look delicious. And this is the back of the lodging house. This is the fish ponds. As you can see now, it's almost ready. Okay, and one last ingredient, and of course that is the watercress, also known as pako. Here, if you are from Aurora, this is one of the plants that grows near water. Very delicious. You can cook it in many forms or just have it in boiled water and make a salad. Most people do this. As you can see how delicious that looks. So you should really try this. You should really try this. She is now plating it, getting it ready. dish, as you see, along with other crabs. We have ourselves a setup at the table with all the seafoods that they've collected and caught at Dangkalan Bay.